incidents that have taken place, all of them not connected to each other in any way, but incidents of great loss nonetheless. And so many innocent lives, especially our young children, lives have been lost. And therefore, I want to take a moment and really ask all of you to let's stand together in solidarity and kind of pay respect, at the same time remember those and commit ourselves that we will continue to work to ensure that we can do everything in our capacity to protect each and every life that is there here on earth, not just in our state, but all over the country. So I request all of you, let us take this moment to be together in solidarity and remember those who have lost their loved ones. We'll keep a silence of 2 minutes.